welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vanessa, and today I am going to be doing a closet. Well, I would say it's an organisation of my closet. So I actually did that 4 months ago, but I'm going to be doing at least a closet clean out and maybe a little bit of an organisation for my wardrobe. So already starting off with my closet, we've got these
beautiful white beautiful doors.
Okay, I feel like there's already a lot in my closet at the moment because like literally my doors are busting open. So I'm going to start off with the main wardrobe. So let me give you guys a little bit of a tour or an update from where we last were. Welcome to my closet. So I've got my stuff arranged here, which is really nice. I feel like everything that's arranged here looks really good. Like I was kind of proud of what I did. Down into the depths of my wardrobe. Let's just say my wardrobe has seen better days, and this is definitely not one of those good days. But overall, all the stuff in my wardrobe, it's a lot. It's a lot. Like I feel like the organization of my wardrobe lasted like 2 seconds, okay? Or like 2 minutes. And I've also got my backpack from I don't know how many months ago, okay? I don't even know how many months ago this suitcase was from, but I need to clean it out. So first I need to try and unpack everything. Like I'm going to try and take out all the clothes at the bottom. I'm going to try and take out everything. Okay, so now that we've done everything here, I've basically chucked all my clothes onto my bed. Let me show you guys right now. This is the bed situation. You can't even see anything. Like I literally have got a light on my bed. You can't even see the light on my bed. That's how much I have got at the bottom of my wardrobe. Going on with the stuff in here, I've just got like my organized selection. I usually have older books that I use at the bottom of my closet, so that's why I've got some of my stuff at the bottom of my closet at the moment. So that's why I've not got everything, but I've got some stuff in there. And now it is time to unpack this suitcase because I genuinely don't know what's in here. But it is a lot. Let's start off with this big old closet. Big old mess of a thing at the moment. Okay, so let me just show you guys a proper like overview of everything. I literally cannot see half my bed at the moment. It's so weird, but here is the situation. So I'm gonna start off with my first plastic bag. I'm gonna see how it goes after that. I still have got my onesie. I feel like this onesie was probably my last video that I did of this. Honestly, I think I should wear this. I'm gonna try and keep some of this stuff. I've also got just a few because I didn't think I was gonna fill the whole entire bag. Now it comes to doing my beloved organization over here. So I actually had a scheme in my last video, if I'm not wrong, where I did like stuff I'm gonna wear on the daily, stuff I'm not gonna wear, stuff for winter, stuff for everything. But I feel like now that we're kind of in a season that's more, I would say, winter sized, it's like full aerodynamic now. This is my beautiful selection, so I need to try and sort out the stuff for months, as I said before, because I haven't got any summer, well I've got summer clothes at the moment, but I haven't got any summer clothes that I'm going to be using right now because it's not really in the summer season. I'm really trying to stick with my mindset. I'm going to try and start off with all my clothes from this year. I'm going to try and finish the top of this bed and then I'll come back to you guys as soon as I finish. I have cleared our area. The only thing left to see is my light over here, and I stuck with my theme of winter stuff and winter clothing in the front and then clothing that I am not going to use for this season in the back. top. I've probably said this before. I got it as like a vibe. Actually, I've got a top that looks very similar to this top now. So I'm going to not wear this anymore. It's really sad, but I'm not going to wear this anymore. So I'm going to put it in this bag. Now I have like a few different type of tanks. So there's like the neck tees, of course, the ones that I got in my other video that were like kind of laced on the side. Those ones are kind of different to these ones, so I'm going to still keep that pair because I want to have it just in case I ever like feel like I'm going to have it on. I just feel like it's quite a nice top. Also this kind of crinkled, so I might put it away. I think I might put it in the washing basket because I feel like it's a little bit crinkled. Now I know, like how I said earlier, like the stuff on one side of my wardrobe might be a bit more organized. I'm gonna try and like actually engross to get to this side of my wardrobe. A very heavy, very impact shoe situation going on here. I think this shoe just needs to be moved like that, and then this shoe, because these are just flip flops and shoes and stuff like that. So I don't think any of these shoes need to be moved. Although this shoe, these shoes are too small for me, so they have to go. And these shoes are all the right size. Yeah, everything here is the right size. Honestly, I feel like there's some stuff that will definitely be going from this side because I have a lot of stuff that I have not used from this side. I don't know why, everything's kind of separated into like boxes on this side, but it just kind of works out. This is more like my leggings and stuff like that, if you can't really tell. I didn't even know these shorts existed. I did not even know these shorts existed, but they're so cute. I love those, and I have not seen most of the tops. I feel like it's just because they were on the side and I never really looked for them. So I might be taking and getting rid of a lot of stuff because technically I didn't really look for them. Okay. So as you can tell, we've got a big selection over here. We've got my pile of, those are t-shirts. I think that's pretty much everything that I've got at the moment. I'm going to try and clear up this stuff. I don't know where I'm going to put these shoes. I'm not going to put them in the same. But this is an overview of my bag. I wouldn't say it's full to the brim, but I feel like it's definitely got a lot of stuff, and I'm really happy that I'm able to donate some stuff. So a review of our clothing. I accidentally mixed in one of these clothes, so I'm going to try and put it over here, but I just want it to be 2 layers, so there go. It's over there now, and it looks really nice. I really like this. I feel like it's definitely giving out what I wanted to give out. I hope you guys enjoyed this little thing. Honestly, I think my wardrobe door is buggy, but that's not something about or anything to do with me. I did not do that. But anyways, I've got all my stuff here. I've got my little bag over here of all my stuff, and we were able to do a little bit of cleaning out. Honestly, I'm really happy that I was able to do this because I needed to do some stuff. Honestly, it feels like
my room and my mindset is a little bit at ease.
But anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this little video. As it is coming to an end, I'll be saying a nice little goodbye.
Tell me you're the one for me.